cop just passed me right as I pressed record. Ah! That's not the craziest part. It's the fact that my car is super illegal right now. It is like 2 years behind on registration. I was just about to press record. Anyways, girl just went and got Lauren her Bachelorette party gift today. We're going on a party bus tonight. I'm stoking on that. I've never actually gone on a party bus before, so I don't know what to expect. My dress is a little tight, so I'm hoping I can like move around in it. I don't know. I feel like other girls are gonna be wearing jeans, but I spent all week trying to like prepare for what I'm gonna wear, makeup, hair, all that stuff, and then it didn't occur to me until just today. I was like, oh, I didn't get her a gift. So I drove my ass down to Susie's and I got her like this lingerie. It's blue, it's pretty. She kind of reminds me of like a fairy, like a cottage fairy, and I told her that. So I got her something ethereal like that. But I hope it fits, because I never know how to shop for people's sizes. I'm not good at being like, oh yeah, I think you're this. Like, everyone who knows how to shop for me, or everyone who buys me clothes, they just know automatically. They're like, oh yeah, you look like you're this size. I'm like, how did you know? How did you know this was gonna fit me correctly? But yeah, I'm stoked. The girls are gonna be with Josh and Uncle Alec and Uncle Zach tonight, and I plan on partying. Yeah. I mean, I got glitter all over me. That's gonna be everywhere. Everyone's gonna know where I've been. But do I care? Nope. Because I like what I'm putting out there. My hair's giving. This dress, it's doing more than giving. I'm turning 28 soon, so I'm feeling 28 so far. Oh my God! Look at this luxury. Sarah, come on. following morning, and it is just crazy right now. I don't have a headache, no hangover. I have a friend who's in town, or I have 2 friends that are in town for the wedding. So we're gonna go on an adventure today. As you can hear, Rosie's just not having it right now. So I'm gonna go get us ready and we're gonna go. Daisy. Daisy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's happening? From far away, you looked hilarious. Hey! Upside down, boy shot me inside out. What you doing? Baby! We're going swimming!
Baby.
Baby!
Hi, buddy.
Ah.
You have some supper? I think you like it. So cute. Look at her taking her diaper off. Oh. You're gonna get sand in your butt. Yep. And then once I get there, I'm mad. Yay! So I just learned that my mom's not feeling well, and she was supposed to watch the girls tomorrow for the wedding, just so that me and Josh don't have to worry about screaming babies during the ceremony and just to have a good time. So now we have to bring both babies to the wedding, and I have no idea how we're gonna do this. I didn't even plan their outfits. I have nothing planned for how this is gonna work. I have no idea. I mean, I don't want to be upset. My friends love them. I love them. I want to bring them to everything. It's just, this is just one of those things where if you could choose not to bring your kids to a wedding, if you can try to help that, you will. But, well, at least I get to be a part of the memories. But man,